Good morning, children. How are you? Say, I'm fine, thank you. Very good. Today we are going to learn English. And in English, we are going to do ab family words. Ab family. Ab family word. Let's see, when we add a new sound to the ab sound, what new words can be formed? When we add a k, it becomes k-ab, cub, cub. Let's add a new sound. And the sound is, what is the sound of this letter? Ab is rub. Let's add a new sound. Yes, this is tub. This is tub. Rub, cub, rub, and tub. Let's see our worksheet. This is your worksheet for ab family word. Let's start with the date. The date is 10th of January 2022. And what do we do next? Yes, we write a name. Ma'am is going to write her name and you have to write your own name in your worksheet. Now you should all be able to write your name. You must know the spelling of your name. Okay. Now let's do the worksheet. This is ab family. Ab. Cub. This is the picture of a cub. A baby tiger is called cub. Baby lion tiger is called cub. Cub. This is rub. Yes. We rub we write from pencil and then we use an eraser to rub. Rub. We can also rub both our hands together. This is also rub. And this is tub. This is the picture of a tub. Tub. Now, there's an activity. Let's see what activity we have to do here. Tick the same word. You have to read the first word and then find the same word in the... There is one word given here and 3 more words are given there. First, you have to read this word and find the same word in the grid here and tick it. Let's do rug. And a ran. Is it same? No. Rug. Yes. Rug. So you have to tick it. Rug. Rub. No, will not take this one. Tug. Yes, you have to tick the same word. Tug. In a tin. Tub. No, only tug. You have to read all the words. Don't just leave it. It will help you in practicing reading. Mug. At a mat. Ob a mob. Mug and mug. You have to tick this one. Mug. This is hug. Hug. Yes, we found it so early. Hug. Tick. Hug. This is hit. Hen. Now, this is bug. Bug. Egg beg. Bug. At a bat. Bug and bug. You have to take this one. Bug. Jug. Jog. At a jet. Yes, this is jug. You have to take the same word. Jug. This is how you have to complete your worksheet. But you also have to read these words. Cub. rub, tub. Okay, ab family has only 3 words. Cub, rub, tub. Okay children, see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.